Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install a navigation and backup camera Android system 10.25 in a BMW 2013 320 Xi. So we replaced the original screen to a 10.25 inch. The original screen was 6.5. So as you can see, we can go to the main menu, same as a new BMW Evo Touch. So we can use the original iDrive to scroll back and forth. We can go back to the original iDrive. We still can using it in the same way by holding the menu button. We can go back again to the aftermarket mode. That's the navigation. And also I'm going to reverse now. That's the backup camera with dynamic parking guidelines. Go back to park. I can go, these are the apps. And also I can go to the video mode. We can make it work by going to setting, system, video while driving. We can remove the band from there and then we can watch video. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can visit our website at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.